Pressure cookers. They're the kitchen gadget that can turn tough meals into tender delights. But have you ever wondered how they work? Let's break it down. A pressure cooker is a sealed pot with a locking lid that traps steam inside. As the pot heats up, the liquid inside begins to boil. Normally, steam would escape, but in a pressure cooker, it's trapped, creating a high-pressure environment inside the pot. This trapped steam raises the temperature inside the cooker well above the normal boiling point of water, making food cook faster. This increased pressure speeds up cooking by forcing liquid into the food, breaking down fibers and making meats and grains tender in no time. The secret behind the magic is all in the pressure. The higher the pressure, the faster the food cooks. Foods like beans, rice, or tougher cuts of meat can go from raw to ready in a fraction of the time it would take on a stovetop. Once the cooking time is up, the pressure needs to be released before opening the lid. Some pressure cookers have an automatic release valve, while others require you to let the cooker cool naturally or manually release the steam. Thanks to the high pressure, foods like stews, roasts, and even desserts are cooked evenly and with deep flavor. And it's not just faster, a pressure cooker locks in nutrients and moisture, making meals more nutritious and juicy. Pressure cookers are a game changer in the kitchen, saving time while preserving flavor and nutrients. It's the perfect kitchen tool for busy families or anyone looking to cook up a delicious meal quickly. Now you know how a pressure cooker works? It's the perfect blend of science and convenience. Next time you want a hearty meal in less time, reach for the pressure cooker and enjoy the magic of high pressure.